If you've been playing along with your game, you might have noticed a problem. Say we would get a point every time we clicked this, and it would say stop ball falling here. There is actually this problem, then we can click it multiple times, like we can click here, continue to click even though the ball is no longer there. So we get a lot more points than we should have. And that's because when we add the event listener here, then it calls stop ball falling, and it will just continue doing that whenever we click the ball, even though we already had started stop ball falling. So the first thing we want to do here is remove the event listener once again. So I'm going to select document, query selector, the ball container, and then I'm not going to add an event listener, but I'm going to remove event listener. Remove event listener like this, and the event listener is still click, and it would still call the function stop ball falling. So that means the moment I click on the ball container, it calls stop ball falling, then it removes the event listener, so I can't click it anymore. Let's see how that works. Try it out yourself and pause the video before continuing. So welcome back. Once I click the ball, it disappears, and then it shows up again and continues to fall. And oops, I can't click it anymore. I can't click it at all. My initial idea, I can only click it once, but I can only click it once, never click it again. And the moment it starts, the moment it restarts here, that's when I want to be able to click it again. So once I'm in the next section here, the restart ball falling, then I want to re-add the event listener. So I'm just going to copy this bit from up here, and then I'm going to add it, not here, I'm going to add it in the end of the function. It doesn't mean that much when, I'm just going to beautify this a bit. No, doesn't want. So now, it doesn't really matter if the event listener is added at the beginning or the end, since everything in the function happens almost instantaneously. But I think it makes good sense to put it at the end, because it kind of shows which function would come after this.